In this clip, I will demonstrate how to create, run, and save a syntax file, and how to locate and use a journal file. Again, we will use the math_assess file that is already opened. Let's run the frequency procedure. Go to the Analyze menu, Descriptive Statistics, and Frequencies. Select Attitude 1 and Attitude 2 and select OK. This gives me my results in the output window. But what if I did not want my results right away and I wanted to store the code for later use? To do this, I could create a syntax file. There are two ways to do this. The first way is to repeat the frequency procedure by going to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and Frequencies. Let us reset this, and this time select grade level and gender. And instead of choosing OK, choose Paste. This opens the syntax editor window. Now we have the choice of either running the code or saving it. To save it, go to File and select Save As. Navigate to where you want to save the file, and then give it a meaningful name like math_assess syntax. You will note that the file extension is .sps. Now click Save. To run the code, go to the Run menu in the Syntax Editor window. We can select All to run all of the code, Selection to run any selected code, Current to run the commands where your cursor is located, or To End to run all commands from the current cursor location to the end of the file. I will run all of the code. And you can see that once that selection is made, the syntax editor window became inactive. Now the second way to create a syntax file is to go to File, New, Syntax. And you will be given a blank syntax editor window. The syntax can be typed in or copied and pasted from other syntax files, from journal files, or from other SPSS program files. From the syntax window, you can also open the journal file, which contains all activities of the SPSS session. To find the journal location, go to the Edit menu and select Options. In the File Locations tab, you can see where the journal file is kept. The journal file is called spss.jnl. Close this and let's open the journal file by going to File, Open, Syntax, and navigate to where the file is kept. Be sure to change the file type to All, and then locate the file. Here is spss.jnl. Click Open. And this will open a new syntax editor window. This file shows all the activity because I have chosen to append each session. I could make a selection of code and then run just this code, or I could copy and paste it into another syntax editor window. Now you know how to use the syntax editor and how to use journal files.